to new video. Classroom English conversation. How to speak English in classroom. Let's go start. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Speak loudly, speak loudly. Keep quiet, keep quiet. Give me your pen, give me your pen. Don't disturb, don't disturb. Don't make noise, don't make a noise. Write quickly, write quickly. Don't shake my chair. Please cite, please cite. Write clearly. Stop writing, stop writing. Please come on site, come on time. Get out, get out. Stand here, standing here. Listen carefully, carefully. Open your notebook, open your notebook. Close notebook. Pick up the book, pick up the book. Don't pull me, don't pull me, don't pull me. Rub the board, rub the board. Come here. Go there, go there. Please like, subscribe my video. Thank you all of you. Please like and comment. For more like and follow my page. Thank you all of you.